All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on NoGi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, today I want to go over an arm drag series. We're going to show 3 different ways to enter in on the single leg. So the first of which is going to be getting the collar tie on my opponent, wrist control on the opposite side arm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to step. As I step, I'm going to pull this arm across, grabbing the back of his tricep, exposing his leg here. From that point, I'm just going to go into the single leg, head in the chest, keeping my shoulders tight, and stop.